Hey guys, in this very quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can download Roblox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up the start menu and you're gonna write Microsoft Store. You're gonna press enter and then you're gonna search for Roblox. Press enter and then you're gonna click on Roblox, which is at the top, and then you're gonna click on get, and then it will start downloading, and once the download is done, then you can start playing it and enjoying Roblox on your computer. So that is it for this quick tutorial, guys. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.